Hey everyone, in today's lecture we are going to discuss about three important operations of stack data structure. The first one is a pick operation, then second one is a isFull operation, and the third one is isEmpty operation. So in previous lecture we already discussed about the push and pop operation with algorithm, and today we are going to discuss these three operations with algorithm. So let's start with the pick operation. First of all, what is meant by pick? The pick operation returns the value of topmost element of the stack without modifying the stack. Okay, it is used to return the topmost element of the stack. Now, this can be useful when you need to check the value of the topmost element before deciding whether to remove it or not. Means pick operation is used when we have to decide that whether to remove the topmost element or not. So it is used to return the value of topmost element of the stack. So we already discussed about the memory representation of stack. Stack is represented like this. Now stack is empty, so the value of top is equal to -1. Top is a pointer which points to the topmost element of the stack, and insertion and removal can be performed from the same end, that is top of the stack. Now let's write down the algorithm for pick operation. So let's start with the begin procedure, then return stack of top, because we have to return the topmost element of the stack. Stack is an array and top is a pointer which points to the topmost element of the stack, and then end the procedure. This is a simple algorithm of pick operation. If we want to write down the program for the pick operation, then just create one function, that is pick function, and then write down the same, that is return stack of top, and then end the curly bracket, end the function. Now here same, stack is a array, the array name is stack, and top is a pointer which points to the topmost element of the stack. Let's say for example we have a stack here with elements 10, 20 and 30. Now top points to the 30, so this is a top, and value of top is equal to 2, because 10 is at 0, this is at 1, and 30 is at 2, so the value of top is equal to 2. Now if you write down the program here, then it return the value 30. The output will be 30. So pick operation returns the topmost element of the stack, and the pick operation is useful when you need to check the topmost element before deciding whether to remove an element or not. So this is a pick operation. Okay, let's see another operation of stack, that is isFull. So what is isFull? It is used to determine if the stack is full or not. Means if we have to check whether the stack is full or not, then isFull operation is used. A stack is said to be full if it has reached its maximum capacity and there is no more space to add new element to the stack. Means for example, the size of stack is 5 and we already added 5 number of elements into the stack, and if we add the 6th element, then that time it shows that the stack is full. We are not able to add another element into the stack, and this condition is also called as a overflow condition. Means if the stack is completely full, then it shows the overflow condition. Means if we want to insert element into the stack and the stack is already full, then we can say that stack is overflow. Now let's see the algorithm for isFull operation. Now let's start with begin procedure. Then if stack length is equal to the maximum stack size, then return true. otherwise return false. So first we have to end the if statement. So here end if, and then if this condition is false, then go to the else part and here return false. Then end the else part and then end the procedure. This is a very simple algorithm. First we have to check that the stack is full or not. If the stack is full, then it returns true, otherwise return false. Now let's see another operation of stack data structure, and that is isEmpty. So like isFull is used to check the stack is full or not, and isEmpty is used to check whether the stack is empty or not. So it returns a boolean value. Again, if the condition is true, means if the stack is empty, then it returns true, otherwise returns false, same as isFull. Let's consider a stack and this stack is empty. We remove all the elements of stack, and now the value of top is equal to -1, because in the previous lecture we already discussed about the top equal to -1 means the stack is empty. If the value of top is equal to -1 and we are going to remove the elements and there is no element left in the stack, that time the underflow condition will occur. So underflow condition is again occur when the stack is completely empty and then we try to remove elements from the stack. So overflow and underflow are both the important terms. Let's write down the algorithm for isEmpty operation. Again, start with the begin procedure and write down the condition as if top is less than 0, or we can say that top is equal to -1, then return true. Otherwise, go to the else part and return false, and then end the procedure. Okay, so again a very simple algorithm. In both the operations, it returns a boolean value, either true or false. If the condition is true, then it returns true, otherwise return false.